Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. You can probably tell by the thumbnail and title and a little hint right here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun box. I am so excited. There's such a nice little kind of like gift to yourself. I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about FabFitFun, but before we get started, I do want to let you know that I did partner with FabFitFun on this video. So this is sponsored by FabFitFun. This is the FabFitFun box. So as you can see, it's just like this really good sized box, and it is a seasonal subscription box, which means that it comes out every season or 4 times a year. I feel like that's great because it's like with the like new seasons coming up, you can get some new goodies, and it's just, you get like a really good sized box full of amazing things. I'm really excited to unbox this. I actually haven't even looked, so it's all taped up. I haven't even seen what's inside of it, so this will be my genuine reaction. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, so you get it 4 times a year. It's $49.95. You get a $200 value with each box, which is amazing. I was actually watching somebody's like spring box, and they had like key sunglasses in their box, which is like incredible. Key sunglasses are like $60 or $70. I have like a whole entire drawer of them. I'm like obsessed. So you can get like some really awesome and high value products within your FabFitFun box. FabFitFun has a really good mix. They have fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products within the box. So it's not just like one category. You get like a whole entire mix of products, and you can now customize what you get in your FabFitFun box, which is really cool. That way you're getting like products that you really love and you really use. I already mentioned, but FabFitFun is like $50 for each box, but you can right now save $10 off your first box with my code, which is going to be Emily Grace. I'll have it here on the screen, which is such a good deal because then it's only going to be like $39.95, and like I mentioned before, you're going to get like $200 worth of products. So that is a really good deal. Another cool thing about FabFitFun is that they work with charities every single season, and they also work with female founded companies. So most of the companies and products that you'll see inside of your FabFitFun box is going to be like female owned companies. So that's just like really cool as well. FabFitFun is currently available in the US, Canada, and the UK. So make sure if you guys are interested to sign up now so you don't miss out on getting to customize all the products that you'd like for your next box. And don't forget to use my code Emily Grace so you can save that extra $10. We love fall. Fall is like the best. So we're going to be looking at the fall box. They just released this. This is the fall box, and I'm really excited because I love fall. I just think fall is like the best season. You know, everything is like beautiful outside. It's like orange and just like cute colors. You've got pumpkin spice. Even got a pumpkin spice for this video in lights of the fall box. I'm just really excited to finally see what's in it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. So it just says like FabFitFun at the top. Looks super cute. It's like a FabFitFun magazine. This is my first box, so I'm kind of like new to this. Like really congested, but I smell like a fragrance. So I'm not sure if there's like a fragrance sample inside of this. Then, oh, that's nice. Cool. On the very top, I've got like a little HelloFresh. It's an $80 gift card with $20 off your first 4 deliveries and free shipping with like a little code. I guess I shouldn't show you guys because the code for the gift card is on there. But yeah, it's a little HelloFresh, which I've always been interested in HelloFresh, but I want to try and eat healthier and stuff now that I'm not like working 40 hours a week on top of school and YouTube. I want to try and get into like eating healthier, but that's awesome. I love like, I'm already like loving this. That's definitely like everybody eats food, so that's like a great thing. And it comes with a little coupon code to give a friend for FabFitFun. So that's awesome, but I already have a coupon code for all of you guys. But that's awesome. So you guys might have a little code in there to give one of your friends. Thing kind of like bundled up really cute with like tissue paper and a little cute sticker. Something smells really good, and I can barely smell it because I'm so congested, but something smells really nice. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, this would be a good thumbnail. Okay, I had to take a quick thumbnail because this presentation was just amazing. Okay, so now we can actually dig right into it. Okay, first thing I see is this. It looks like it's like a little hair towel. Yeah, which is awesome. I always use like 2 towels, like one for my body and then one for my hair, because you know, when you get out of the shower, your hair is all like, you know. So yeah, this is really nice because then you can just use this instead of like having a whole nother towel just for your hair. So yeah, you can just wrap your hair up in this. So I will definitely be using this. It's also pink, which I love. So yeah, that is super convenient. Definitely will be using this. Next up Ooh. Next up is this little, it says it's like vitamin C mixing crystals. So it says you just like mix these crystals in with like another product and apply it to your face. So that sounds really cool. I'm excited to try it out. Next up is this Aveda damage remedy. It's like a daily hair repair kind of cream, which is really good because my hair is super damaged. I put a lot of heat and like I'm very rough on my hair, so this will be really nice. I can just put this in my hair after the shower. Next up is this right here, and it's this Humankind is the brand, and I think it's just like a body cream, and it also says it's vegan and cruelty free, and it's got like natural products. I'm pretty sure it's just like a moisturizer, but that'll be really nice, and the packaging is really cool as well. Next up, and I think I've used these before, and it's by the brand Wander Beauty, and it's the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've definitely used these before. These are really cool. You guys have probably seen a lot of people use these. I think they're pretty popular. Actually pretty popular. I know I've definitely used them before and I really liked them. This little battery change, but I think I was just saying that these brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, and they're just like really luxurious and nice. So, ooh, I think this is what I'm smelling. It's these little cubes, exfoliating sugar cubes. It says juice cleanse on it. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. It's really, yeah, they smell really good. Oh gosh, I just inhaled it. They smell like really clean and kind of fruity. I love them. I love these. I can't wait to use them. That's so cool. So you just take the little cube with you in the shower and then you just like rub it over your skin. It's like a really easy way to do that because they're just like very solid. It's not like it's like a sugar scrub where it's like really messy and gets all over the place. Ooh, this looks cool. This looks cool. Okay, it is this gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Looks like this. It's just like a little cheese board and silverware. It's so cute. I love that. I love how they have like so many different things like lifestyle, beauty, like you kind of get a little bit of everything, so that's really cool. I think we are coming towards the end here. This might be the last thing. Ooh, okay, cool. It's a travel yoga mat by, oh, Anthropologie. Anthropologie, yes, we love. Oh my gosh, it's from Anthropologie. No way. This feels so nice. I don't do yoga, but I think I'm gonna do it now. I've never really done yoga before, I'll be honest. My sister has like a little yoga mat and she just uses it for like abs and stuff. I don't know. But I think I might have to pick up yoga. And like I said, I want to be more healthy now that I have more time to really focus on myself. I want to work out more. That's been like one of my goals for forever. So now I have a little yoga mat to get me started. It's like a little travel yoga mat, so it's like easy to take with you, which is great. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really loved everything that was in my FabFitFun box. I love the fact that FabFitFun has so many, like, such a variety of products, so it really gives you a chance to try new products and new brands, but then it has like brands that I already love, like Anthropologie, for example. It's just like a really fun way to kick off the new season and just get excited. Like now I'm just so excited for fall, and it's just like a good way to like treat yourself. So I love that. Make sure to head over to FabFitFun so you can customize your, I guess the next one would be winter, and also use my code EmilyGrace so you can save $10 off your winter box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I really can't wait to try out all of these products. I'm going to be doing some more vlogs, so you'll probably see some of these products in my vlogs, especially this one. I'm going to use this towel so much. I'm already excited. And these little eye masks, probably going to use one of these tonight. And I really feel like all these products are things that you can just really use in your everyday life. But yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.